Welcome to Sensei Crypto, your trusted guide through the complex and often challenging world of cryptocurrency. In today's insightful episode, titled How to Recognize and Avoid Crypto Scams, Practical Tips, we're going to delve into a critical aspect of the crypto world: security against scams. This video is crucial for anyone engaged in the crypto space, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto. Let's start by understanding the landscape of crypto scams. The crypto world, with its inherent anonymity and technological sophistication, has unfortunately become a breeding ground for various types of scams. These fraudsters are constantly devising new methods to deceive investors, making it increasingly important for you to be informed and vigilant. Phishing attacks represent a significant threat in the cryptocurrency space, characterized by their deceitful approach in obtaining sensitive information. These attacks often occur through meticulously crafted fake websites or deceptive emails that are designed to look identical to legitimate sources. The objective is to trick individuals into unknowingly revealing critical information such as private keys or wallet passwords, which are essential for accessing one's cryptocurrency holdings. The sophistication of these phishing schemes can vary, ranging from simple emails asking for key details to more elaborate setups where entire website interfaces are cloned to appear like trusted platforms. Victims, believing they are interacting with a legitimate service, enter their details, which are then stolen by the scammers. This information can give attackers full access to the victim's cryptocurrency funds, leading to substantial financial losses. Ponzi and Pyramid Schemes are another prevalent type of scam in the crypto world. These schemes lure investors with the promise of high returns on their investments. The catch, however, lies in the source of these returns. Unlike legitimate investment opportunities where profits are generated through actual business activities or asset appreciation, returns in Ponzi and Pyramid Schemes are paid out from the capital contributed by newer investors. This creates an unsustainable cycle, as the scheme relies on a continuous influx of new investments to pay earlier investors. Initially, these schemes may seem profitable, encouraging more people to invest, but they inevitably collapse once there are not enough new investors. This collapse leaves most participants with significant losses, as only the early investors and the fraudsters behind the scheme might have received some profits, typically at the expense of later participants. These schemes are particularly dangerous in the crypto space due to the decentralized and relatively unregulated nature of cryptocurrencies, which can make it easier for scammers to operate and harder for victims to recover their lost funds. Fake ICOs, initial coin offerings, are a particularly insidious type of scam prevalent in the cryptocurrency space. These scams occur when fraudsters fabricate a cryptocurrency project, complete with a white paper, a website, and promotional campaigns, all designed to appear legitimate and promising. They lure investors with the prospect of getting in early on a new cryptocurrency or token. However, the reality is that the digital tokens they are selling either don't exist or are utterly worthless. Often, these projects have no real underlying technology, business model, or team to drive the project's success. Investors are enticed to buy these tokens with the hope of significant returns once the token launches and gains market value. However, once the fraudsters have raised a substantial amount of money, they disappear, leaving investors with valueless tokens and no way to recover their funds. The lack of regulation in the ICO space makes it easier for such scams to proliferate, and the anonymous nature of blockchain transactions makes it challenging to trace and recover the stolen funds. Pump and dump schemes are another prevalent scam tactic in the crypto world. These schemes involve artificially inflating or pumping the price of a cryptocurrency, typically one that is less known and has a lower market capitalization. This inflation is achieved through coordinated buying and spreading of misleading information, often through social media and other platforms, to create a buying frenzy. Unsuspecting investors, drawn by the rising price and the hype, invest in the currency, expecting it to rise further. However, once the price reaches a certain level, the scammers behind the scheme, who hold large amounts of the currency, dump their holdings, selling off their shares at the inflated price. This mass selling leads to a sharp price collapse, leaving new investors with significant losses. Unlike traditional markets where similar activities are illegal and regulated, the decentralized and unregulated nature of the crypto market makes it more susceptible to such schemes, and participants have fewer protections. To spot these scams, there are several red flags to watch out for. If an investment opportunity promises high returns with little or no risk, be cautious. In the world of investing, higher returns are typically associated with higher risks. A lack of transparency is another warning sign. Legitimate projects are generally open about their operations, and if you find it hard to get detailed information about a project's founders or its mission, it might be a scam. Be wary of unsolicited offers and those that urge you to invest quickly. It's always better to take your time to research thoroughly. Also, always check for secure websites. Look for hash and a padlock symbol in the web address, and be cautious of sites with poor design or spelling and grammatical errors. To keep yourself safe from these scams, start by doing thorough research. Investigate any cryptocurrency project before investing in it. Look at multiple sources and avoid making decisions based solely on information from social media ads or unsolicited emails. Use well-known, trusted cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets, and be skeptical of unknown platforms offering deals or services that seem too good to be true. It's a cardinal rule never to share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Legitimate companies will never ask for this information. Staying updated on the latest security practices in crypto is also vital. Follow reputable crypto news sources, blogs, and forums. If you ever suspect a scam, report it to the relevant authorities and the crypto community to help others avoid falling prey. If you've shared sensitive information, move your assets to a new, secure wallet immediately. Be a vigilant member of the crypto community by sharing your experiences to help others steer clear of similar scams. In conclusion, navigating the crypto world requires vigilance and informed caution. Understanding the types of scams and following practical security measures can protect your digital assets. This vigilance, combined with an informed approach, is your best defense in the crypto world. Thank you for watching How to Recognize and Avoid Crypto Scams. Practical tips on Sensei Crypto. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency safety and best practices. We encourage you to share your own experiences and tips for avoiding crypto scams in the comments below. Let's build a safe and informed crypto community together. Stay tuned for more content where we explore the latest trends and insights in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, helping you stay informed and one step ahead in this dynamic field. Until next time, remember to keep your assets safe, stay informed, and continue exploring the exciting and ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.